Hello everyone, my name is Igor. I've been trading binary options for more than 11 years, 7 years. I already trade using support and resistance levels, and let me show you how I trade. We'll be trading with the binary options broker Binolla, placing $20 trades. Let's see if we can increase that now. I think the balance allows us to grow a bit, so the trade amount is $20 with a 5-minute expiration time. Let's go through the charts and see where we can open trades. I'll switch to the 5-minute time frame. Euro and yen. I'm going to open a trade for a decrease. The price is currently in the support and resistance zone. The zone is visible. You can see reversals and price slowdowns after breakouts. Right now the price has reached this zone. From the bottom up, a trade for a decrease. I'm opening it, and let's keep watching. We can try to open a trade on the Australian dollar and US dollar pair. Our trade will be for a decrease. The price is in the resistance zone. Previously, this zone was a support zone. Now the price has returned to this distance zone and will most likely go lower, breaking through the previous minimum. That's my forecast. The British pound and Australian dollar will also be opened for a decrease. The price is in the resistance zone. The zone is visible, and there is another resistance zone above, but the price hasn't reached it yet. The price broke through this zone, returned to it, and I'm opening a trade for a decrease, for a reversal. The US dollar, Canadian dollar will be opened for an increase. We have a support zone, which is also a local maximum. We currently have the daily time frame open, meaning each candlestick represents one day. And on this time frame, this zone is very clearly visible, so there is a high probability that a reversal will happen now. Prices will go up. The only thing, of course, is the 5 minutes. That's not much time for a daily time frame. In fact, I would even say it's very little, but there is a high probability that the reversal will happen right now. In any case, we'll find out in 5 minutes. The dollar-yen pair will also open for an increase. The price is currently at a local minimum. The price has been unable to break through this zone for quite a while now, so it makes sense to open a trade for an increase here. The British pound against the dollar is opening for a decrease. It's at a local maximum. This is the third attempt for the price to break through this zone, and most likely it won't succeed again. We'll wait and see. The Australian pair is opening for an increase. It's simple here. The price is at a support resistance zone. You can see how the price has bounced off this zone every time. And now I'm also counting on a reversal. We have 7 trades open. For now, let's see how our trades are performing. Like this, right? And we have 3 trades in the red. Euro and yen are still in profit for us. Alright, let's switch to the 5-second time frame. Yes, the price is falling here. So far everything is more or less normal. The Australian dollar also entered confidently. At the very top, the price only falls. British pound. Australian price near entry point. It is not yet clear how this deal will be closed. But for now the deal is in the red. Dollar. Canadian dollar. So far the deal is in the black, but not very seriously. Dollar. Japanese yen, deal it's generally going into the minus. This also happens. British pound, debt, deal in the black. And the Australian, the Canadian, so far the deal is in the red. Let's duplicate it here. Then we'll open dollar yen. Let's duplicate it here. And the British pound, Australian, I'll duplicate that too. That's it. All our trades, 10 trades, we did it. Now we'll wait for them to close. 9 seconds until the first trade closes, euro and yen. But I think this one will be a win. I don't think it will have time to rise enough to go into the loss zone before the trade closes. Profit, everything's great. Australian dollar, 3 seconds left. This will also be a profitable trade. Everything's good here too. But the trade on the British pound to Australian dollar is still going badly for us. The first trade will close in 15 seconds. The price still isn't falling, and in fact it's continuing to rise. That's not very good for me. Yes, the trade will close at a loss. Let's keep watching. The US dollar to Canadian dollar is looking pretty good for us so far. A nice gain. And most likely this will be a profitable trade in 25 seconds. 3 seconds. Yes, the deal here will close in profit. As for the rest of the deals, it's still completely unclear. The price jumps up and down. Dollar. The yen had a price surge upwards, but for now the price has rolled back. There is no reversal yet that I am expecting, and perhaps both trades will close at a loss. Well, at the very least, the upper trade will definitely close at a loss now, but as for the lower trade, it's still unclear. Dollar and yen, one trade is closing at a loss, and now the British pound to dollar trade will be closing. Let's see how the trade closes. The entire time, the price was in the profit zone, and then in the last seconds, the price went into the negative. It might close at a loss. Yes, it really is closing at a loss. That's a very frustrating loss. Meanwhile, the Australian and Canadian trades are both in profit for now, and most likely that's how it will stay. Yes, another trade is closing in profit. The British pound to Australian dollar continues to rise, and it's possible that this trade won't end up in profit. Similarly, the dollar-yen pair as well, the price is in the red and it's not in a hurry to return to the profit zone. Australian dollar, Canadian dollar closed in profit, while the dollar-yen closed at a loss, and the British pound to Australian dollar just barely missed closing the trade in profit. Those are today's results. Based on the results of 10 trades, if I counted correctly, 5 trades closed in profit and 5 trades closed at a loss. As a result of this trading session, we have a small loss today. Well, that happens too. It's nothing to worry about. Next time, we'll make a profit. That's all from me, friends. You'll find all the links to the educational materials in the description of this video. If you're interested in learning how I trade using support and resistance levels, you'll find that there. All the answers to your questions, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave your comments. Good luck trading, goodbye.